Houses Review, my honest experience using this co-parenting app for seamless childcare. Co-parenting can be complicated, especially when schedules, expenses and communication get tangled. That's where the Houses app steps in, designed to make co-parenting smoother and less stressful. I tried it out, and here's my honest experience. Most people think co-parenting apps are just fancy calendars, but the surprising truth is that Houses offers much more. From shared calendars to secure messaging and expense tracking, it centralizes everything in one easy-to-use platform. Setting it up was quick. You create an account, invite your co-parent, and immediately start syncing events from school drop-offs to doctor visits. The shared calendar updates in real time, so there's no more confusion about pickup times or missed appointments. I especially like the expense management feature. You can log costs, attach receipts, and even set automatic reminders for reimbursement. It keeps things transparent and eliminates awkward money conversations. Communication is secure and archived, meaning no messages are lost or manipulated, a huge plus in legal or court-related situations. The tone of conversation stays focused and civil, helping reduce conflict. The app is available on both iOS and Android, with a web version for added convenience. While most features are free, premium plans unlock additional tools like document storage and priority support. One small downside is that both parents need to be active users for it to truly work. If one person doesn't engage, some of the benefits are lost. Overall, Houses is one of the best digital tools for modern co-parenting. It keeps communication organized, fair, and drama-free, something every parent can appreciate.